Hello dear friends, this is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helps you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video I want to show and tell you how to log out of Messenger. How do you sign out of Messenger? So you have your profile in Messenger, but you want to sign out of Messenger to possibly sign up for a new account, or you have some other reason to sign out of Messenger. In order to do this, you go to the Messenger application. Now here you have to select Chats. Then here we click on the three bars on top. Now here we select just Settings. Now here we go a little bit lower and select Account Center and click on See More in Account Center. Now we also go a little bit lower and select Password and Security. Now we select here. You're logged in, selected. Now we select Facebook. Now we go below and select here. Select Devices to log out. Click and select the device from which we are now in the application. That is, select my iPhone, selected it, and click on the button. Log out, and after that we log out from this device with Messenger. As you can see, this is a very simple and fast way. Done. There is nothing complicated. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye bye. See you later.